Are you feeling frustrated by your tiny desk? Having size envy and feeling inadequate?
I think it's time for us to consider desk enlargement.
Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn.
Oh yeah, and we suffer from desk dysfunction.
Come on. Hey guys. Who's got the giggles now? Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn.
And we suffer from desk dysfunction.
Hey
So today we're gonna build a new one.
Featuring aluminum extrusions,
Wood,
resin,
LEDs,
and built-in cable organization.
This video is sponsored by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business.
All right guys, so for the base of this desk, we are gonna be using T-slot aluminum framing. This is my favorite material ever. I got obsessed with it while I was at my engineering job, and Katelyn doesn't understand it, but she accepts this part of me. It's really strong, lightweight, it's modular, it's like Legos, but for adults. All right, time for assembly. Oh wait, you guys are already done?
Yeah, what took you so long? This guy. Okay, so this is actually IKEA butcher block that we got on sale. We've used it for so many projects. We literally bought everything that was on sale.
Yeah, but it's a little bit too long.
Yeah.
It's a little bit too short in this direction.
But we have plans. We are going to fix that with resin.
Yes.
Ready? Yeah.
There we go.
I promise, we're not crazy. We did that on purpose. I realized we hadn't really explained that part yet.
All we have to do now is take these two pieces of wood and join them with some resin.
So you might be wondering, what are all these pieces of wood?
We're about to clamp everything down and create a little mold so that we can pour resin to join these together. But as we started prepping, I got more and more worried about making it work logistically. Let me pull up my list of what I was worried about.
I was making dinner, and Evan comes in and he's like, I have a list of concerns.
I'm worried about the structural integrity, resin ruining the base, like being too thick, things leaking. I think we have a plan. You look like a C.
I can't, I have to like rest it on my belly. This thing is so freaking heavy. I'm just gonna embrace the funny face. How do I look? Do I look powerful?
Go for it. Yeah. Dead on, baby.
Mine is actually like a 16th short.
Mine is a 16th short too, just like we planned it.
Good enough.
That planning though, that precision, it's just like we planned it. I love the rods.
So we just realized that we messed up.
So we are embedding these metal rods in here to add rigidity since it's just two flush faces held together by resin.
We worried the resin would like snap when we tried to carry it in.
And we left some extra room on this wooden piece so that afterwards we could trim it and would get a nice clean edge. But
It's
we
like
didn't.
It's like two very clever things. We were
Two
being
good ideas.
Super smart.
But we didn't combine them.
No.
And these are now outside of the area that are going to be cut. So we have to do it again. And it's really painful in the moment, but I know that if we don't do it right,
We'll regret it more later.
we'll regret it more later. So we're going to start over. I feel like that was overly dramatic.
No, it's not. This is exactly how I feel. I hurt my neck.
It's past midnight though, so we're gonna just give up for today and start tomorrow.
You okay? happened. I don't know if this is totally necessary.
Don't mess up.
Hold review. So we spent the past probably hour and a half taping literally every surface we could because this is our biggest pour we've ever done and we're super paranoid about everything leaking, but I'll show you what we did. So we have multiple layers of Tyvek tape, which resin is supposed to not stick to all the way down. We also have clear tape on top of our wood so that if it starts spilling over a little bit, some people just let it spill over. We're gonna try to make it really level, but if it starts, it won't get on the wood, hopefully. We have these dams set up at the end, precariously taped, and we have about 100 popsicle sticks shimming this upwards.
It's pretty much level. All right, time to pour.
Time to pour.
Everybody go woo!
Woo! Alrighty, so we are preparing for the pour. We had the idea of doing rainbow LEDs underneath our resin pour. So the obvious choice was doing like a white sheer resin, but we thought when the LEDs are off, that might look kind of boring. So instead we're gonna do a subtle pastel rainbow, which is kind of hard. It's a lot easier just to do a really opaque color. We have to try to do just the right amount of pigment, not too much pigment. Hopefully it'll look good.
We got this.
I think it's gonna look nice. This is so much resin.
We gotta mix fast. This is pretty good.
Are we just eyeballing? Okay, clock is officially ticking and we have a bunch of colors to mix.
Yeah, let's start there.
That looks right.
All right, like you definitely pick up on the color, but it's also
It's subtle.
somewhat translucent, but not really.
Yeah, these are like a little extra pigmented. I think it's because they're so thick. Woo!
Ready?
Yeah, this is so nerve-wracking.
Oh, that looks cool though.
That's really cool. Double glove.
Isn't it so good?
So good.
Are we gonna swirl them together?
I don't like it to be like as perfectly even.
Oh yeah.
Like some smaller bits and then some wider swoops.
Oh, that's so cool. I'm so glad we're mixing them.
Yeah, me too.
This makes it so much cooler.
The swirls are more noticeable at the transition points.
I like it though, I really like it.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Okay.
So torch it?
So torch it, burn it all. But I think it worked. I mean, this is layer one, so we have to do it again, but.
Oh, this looks so cool.
It looks so cool.
Oh,
It's totally steaming. Can you see that? You can see the steam coming up.
Well, it's still 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Dang!
Full cure for this slow resin is 5 days.
We've never waited that long.
We usually demold after 12 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should, because we need to pour this other one when it's at the gel state.
Yeah, we
do. It's gonna
do.
be there a lot faster.
Yeah.
We might need to poke it with a stick.
We need to eat now, real quick.
No, not if it's ready. If it's ready, then we need to pour.
Oh!
We gotta pour!
We gotta pour!
Okay, we gotta pour.
Oh, we gotta pour! Oh my gosh. Katelyn, I'm not sure if we would have realized it.
That happened really fast. Normally it's like 40 minutes. We should have worn pants. Can I start mixing?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and we are officially in go mode. This was so thick that it started curing really fast and we need to pour the next layer during the gel state.
And it's like passing the gel state as we
I don't even know if
speak.
it's still gel state or if it's too late.
If you don't pour during the gel state, the next layer doesn't fuse. And then like what you're supposed to do is sand it and scuff it.
We might need to do that. I think we should maybe scuff it.
I don't want sandpaper because it'll create dust. I want to use a brush. I have it. I have it. Time to scratch it up.
Okay, yep. Oh, that sounds terrible.
Yeah, I think this is really good.
Oh, I hope it all sticks together.
No, it'll be good. It'll be good.
Okay.
All right. I know what I'm doing. Do I know what I'm doing? Well, this is exciting.
We're gonna do a slightly less pigmented go this time because the first one was a little bit more pigmented than we thought it would be. And then a thin clear coat on the very top.
Want to start doing the same method?
We're like old pros at this now, except for when we forgot that it would kick fast. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm not sure how to do this. Did I do it?
Oh, there's a big blobby. Okay, it's starting to blob. Blob. Oh, it's going. Oh.
It's like kicking right now.
It's like kicking right now. That's crazy. It's just like
a chain reaction.
steamy reaction.
I think that what we should do is let it sit, let it fully cool, go to eat, scratch it, and then do the final one.
Woo! Okay. Close parted.
This is looking amazing. I love this, but we were pushing our luck with these really big pours.
No more craziness. We were flying too close to the sun earlier.
It cured way too fast. I think it slightly delaminated from the walls a little bit. So now that we have the color done, it's looking just like we want it, we're gonna encase it with some clear resin pours to get like a super glossy top finish so that we don't have to do much sanding and resurfacing at the end. We realized that this is curing pretty hard and we want to try to remove some of this tape before this fully hardens on top of the tape. So these outer ones shouldn't be too hard to remove at all. These are the ones I'm worried about right here.
The ones that were right next to the resin.
Not bad, not bad, not bad. Hey.
Nice.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, I'm getting a preview too. Seeing the light come through the color.
Okay, what's next?
Okay. Next we're going to build our cable organization. So we have a lot of stuff that needs to be organized and contained. Yes. So we're gonna build an entire shelf that goes along the back of our desk to contain all that stuff with holes going through it for wires. But that's not super pretty when you walk in and can see it from the side, so we're doing these additional diagonal side panels to hide it. That should be a cool design element. So let's go cut some wood real quick. Let me do that again. No, stop, come back, let me do it again.
All right, all that resin took a little bit longer than we thought, so we're gonna kind of speed through this woodworking part.
Should we talk about what we're doing? I mean, that's Danish oil.
Yep, that's really easy.
We're drilling holes for the cable organization.
And 3D printing, my favorite thing.
Yeah, we made a bunch of custom brackets to hold the wood pieces on, even to hold our lights in place, which we'll show in a minute.
And then we're just speeding through the attachment.
You look so comfortable. I forget what you were gonna say.
Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna add LEDs that makes any project super epic. Toss them at your project, and now it's great.
Looks great.
Hey, it's me in the comments. How come you don't just embed your LEDs in the resin like everybody else does?
Because we're not sure if this is the technology we want to be here forever. I actually wanted to use these, which are individually adjustable. They have this cool microcontroller, but it's like we need to upload the video tomorrow, and we are not done yet.
Really?
So do the montage, but you're gonna montage over this singing, right?
Right.
Time is now or never. The montage is gonna be great. Oh, that is... LEDs do make everything cooler. Alright, so now for the best part of the video. An hour and a half to 3 hours of sanding and polishing, because that's what the internet wants, right?
Yeah, that's good content.
Alright, let's get going. While I work on this, let's talk about our sponsor, Squarespace.
So this channel actually started as a side hustle, and the desk we're building is for our podcast, which in itself is a side hustle. And when you're starting up these things on the side, you don't always have time to build yourself a website.
That's where Squarespace comes in. It's literally a one-stop shop for everything you need for a website. You can claim your domain name, build your website, sell stuff, and even use their tools to promote it. Their templates are really beautiful and easy to use, and if you hit a snag at 2 a.m., because, you know, side hustle, they have 24-hour support to help you out.
So go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Evan and Katelyn for 10% off your first purchase of a domain or website. Squarespace.com/Evan and Katelyn.
Awesome. Scary.
Okay,
Alrighty.
moment of truth.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Oh, yes. It just looks so good.
Looks so good.
This just brings out the richness.
We're so rich.
We're rich. Rich in Danish oil.
We're almost actually already out.
This looks so good.
Katelyn is broken.
This looks so good. Watch your step coming up here. You ready to test the lights?
Come on, ready? Oh my god.
That's awesome.
That looks so good. Let's do the color fade.
Whoa!
Oh.
It was kind of like what we thought, like with the pastel colors, they're sheer enough that it lets the color of the light show through, but when it's off or when it's just a white light, the rainbow shows.
Okay, ready?
You guys, we're done.
Yay!
We love the desk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
If you want to check out our Twitch stream or our podcast, that's at twitch.tv/Evan and Katelyn or Evan and Katelyn podcast on whatever podcast app you like.
Including YouTube.
Yeah, bye!
Bye! Oh God!
I did it to troll you.
No, you didn't. Hey guys.
I can't take a gentle sip. I use up all my seriousness.
Hey guys. No! Resin is the best thing in the world.
It's gonna be
really cool.
It's gonna be lit